Hey dreamers, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pebbles and I'm back with another video. Just to update you guys, I am now a annual pass holder. As this is my first trip to Disney where I am using my annual pass. And so I am going to pop into Magic Kingdom tonight. I purchased a lightning lane for TRON. And so I am going to take you all along with me to experience TRON for the very first time. And then I'm going to stay and watch the fireworks happily ever after, because I've never seen those as well. I've seen the 50th fireworks show and I've seen Wishes, but I didn't make it to see when Happily Ever After was going on. So I'm very excited to see that, because I know a lot of people love that show. So I'm going to take you all along with me. Be sure to stay tuned to see what I think about the new TRON. Okay guys, I am here at TRON. It's kind of very crowded. Oh, let me see if I can get some footage of the coaster. Alright, so my lightning lane time is here and I'm getting ready to experience this coaster for the first time. I am super excited. So let's just go ahead and see how it is. It's so loud under here, but it's so pretty at night. I'm glad I got a time to come at night where I can see it nice and lit up. I am super excited and super nervous to ride this ride. They have a pit stop here where you can stop and check to see what the seats are like. You want to get a feel for how it's going to feel on the ride. See if you fit comfortably. You can do that here. Guys, I'm nervous. This is that's the virtual queue line, and this is the lightning lane line. So we wait. We're gonna see how long it takes to get through this line in lightning lane. I think it costs $20. It was $20 to pay to skip the line today.
You are about to be digitized into the world of TRON. For your safety in this world, all users should be in good health. You should be free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or neck problems. You should be free from motion sickness or other conditions that could be aggravated by this experience. Expecting you.
Users, please proceed to fill all available space. Please do not stop in the doorway.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of TRON.
Whoa, this is so cool.
To synchronize the real light cycle, wheel, green, and pull the handlebars towards you. TRON Light Cycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark, making sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. For your safety, remain seated on the outside at all times. Remember to lean and hold the handle young Team Blue users at all times. The competition begins when Team Blue launches across the upload conduit and onto the grid. Your opponents will meet you there. To win, every member of Team Blue must pass through 8 energy gates before their opponents. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory. In the light cycle, there are winners and there are losers.
All right, guys, I gotta put this away in the locker. So I will return once we have put everything up, let you guys know what I think, and insert my picture of my reaction. Okay guys, I'm just getting out the ride, and it's back there. The area is very loud, so I hope you guys can hear me okay. But I just wanted to give my review of what I thought of TRON. I thought that the takeoff was awesome. I really like the difference of sitting down in the motorcycle. It's a very different feel from Hagrid's, because that's another motorcycle coaster. So it's not the same, but I really enjoyed the takeoff of the ride. Unfortunately, after that, it's like nothing special, and it's super short. Like when you're really getting into it, it is over. So I say out of 5 stars, I will give it a 3 because it is fun. It is something different. Would I pay $20 for Lightning Lane for it again? Probably not. I will wait until it's standby or do like a low virtual queue line. But I do not regret taking the chance to do it because I was able to pop in here and get it done. And now I'm getting ready to watch Happily Ever After fireworks.
Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us, and when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we are.
Concludes my night at Magic Kingdom. First time seeing Happily Ever After. First time riding TRON. It was a great night. I cried. I'm a big baby. And now, time for bed. I am tired. It's been a long day. Thank you guys for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below.